Are you contemplating a major upgrade to your iPhone? Torn between the allure of the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the anticipation of the iPhone 16 Pro Max? You're not alone. The iPhone 15 Pro Max and the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro Max share many similarities, but there are some notable differences. The design of both models is expected to be pretty similar. The iPhone 15 Pro Max features a titanium chassis and an action button in place of the traditional mute switch. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, on the other hand, might just surprise us with a slightly larger display and a new capture button. When it comes to display, both models are expected to have OLED panels, but the iPhone 16 Pro Max might just have the upper hand with the incorporation of new micro-lens technology. This innovation could significantly enhance brightness and power consumption, giving the iPhone 16 Pro Max a slight edge. Now let's talk cameras. The iPhone 15 Pro Max boasts a triple camera setup with a 48 megapixel main camera and a 5x zoom. On the other hand, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is rumored to feature a 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera. And if the whispers are to be believed, we might even see a super telephoto periscope camera, offering even higher zoom capabilities. The performance of these two models is another area of comparison. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is powered by the A17 Pro chip, which offers improved CPU and GPU performance, but the iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to take it a step further with the A18 Pro chip. This new chip is likely to offer better performance and efficiency. And what about battery life? The iPhone 16 Pro Max is rumored to have improved thermals, a generative AI-infused Siri, and stacked battery technology. These features could potentially offer a better battery life compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Both models are expected to offer storage options of 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, and 1 terabyte. So if you're looking for ample storage, both models have you covered. So, should you wait for the iPhone 16 Pro Max or go for the iPhone 15 Pro Max? If your current iPhone is a 13 series or later and can last another year, it might be worth the wait. However, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is still a fantastic phone, and there are other options available like the Galaxy S23 Ultra. In conclusion, the decision really boils down to your needs and preferences. If you're looking for the latest technology and can hold on a little longer, the iPhone 16 Pro Max might be the perfect fit, but if you're in need of a new phone now, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is a great choice. Either way, you're in for a treat.